We are currently out here in the forest. You see the pine trees behind me. We're about 5 minutes into this hike. I'm not actually sure if we're going to make it or not. I'll update you again later. Hiking log update number 2. We are still hiking to the destination. There is a heavy mist in the air. I'm not sure if it's like some sort of precipitation event or if I'm just sweating profusely at this point. I will continue to update you as we go. Update number 3, still walking along through the forest. Really not sure what to do now. I got spider webbed. Yeah, if you've ever been out in the forest, you know that feeling, fresh spider webs on your skin. May just have to call it a day now. We have made it to this odd log structure. May have to just bunk down and stay the night. Although the mist has settled some, I'm still kind of reeling from the spider web incident. I'll let you know what's going on here in a bit. Hiker's log, check in. I've lost track. I believe we are currently on the trail to Hansel and Gretel's house. There is a tree behind me, a rather large tree. And if you look closely, you might just see a waterfall back there. Oh, taking a shower, scrub-a-dub-dub. go. We're back to main trail now. Just so you guys know, we did not find Hansel and Gretel. We did see a waterfall. That was kind of cool.